Hi Year 6, for today's maths lesson we're going to be looking at 3D shapes. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is have a look at those ones on the slides, these ones that you can see on the board here, and just have a go at naming each of those. So pause the video and we'll come back with the names. Okay, so hopefully you came up with these answers here. So the first one, we've got a triangular prism, and we had a cube, a cuboid, a square-based pyramid, an octagonal prism, and a cone. Okay, so when we're looking at 3D shapes, obviously they come from a net. That's nothing to do with what's on your windows or that you go fishing with. It's to do with these things that you can see on the board here, the 2D representation of a 3D shape. So I've got one already made, which is the same one you can see on the board. And your task is to find out what shape does this make. So you'll need to fold it up. If you've got some stuff at home to use, you can. If not, there's loads of different websites on the internet where you can build these, or you could do it with a bit of paper or a bit of card. Find out what shape it makes. So hopefully, like the answer says on the board, you came up with something that looks like this. This shape is a tetrahedron. Have a go at some of the rest of the ones on the slides.
So the next thing we'd like you to do is try and find as many ways as you can of making a cube. Now, to make a net of a cube, you will need 6 squares. You can put them in different positions, but you must ensure that when it eventually folds together, it makes a 3D cube. So here's some examples. Hopefully you've come up with some of those. Why not try making some nets up using other shapes?
So on Google Classroom, where we've set the tasks for you, we're going to put this link onto BBC Bitesize. So the clip is called What Are Nets? And it goes through a video just explaining what Mr. White and Mrs. Newbold have said about nets, just to give you some more information. And then when you log on to Doodle, you've got 2 tasks to do on there today.